Hello students, today I have brought for you one of the most important question of class 10th polynomial chapter, which is very important for the upcoming CBSE 2026 examination. So let's see what is the question. The question is, students, if alpha and beta and the zeros of the polynomial p of x is equal to x square minus 6x plus k such that alpha square plus beta square is equal to 24, find the value of k. So here, students, the given polynomial is p of x is equal to x square minus 6x plus k. As you know, it is a quadratic polynomial, so the value of a is what, students, you know that coefficient of x square, that is 1, b is what, coefficient of x, that is minus 6, and c is k. Okay, and you know the relationship between the zeros and coefficient of a quadratic polynomial, that is alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. So b is what, minus 6, so minus of minus 6 by a is 1, that is minus minus plus 6 by 1 is equal to 6, and alpha into beta, product of the zeros, is equal to c by a. And what is the value of c? You know, k, and a is 1, that is k by 1 is equal to k. So here, students, you got here alpha plus beta is equal to 6. So if you take this equation, alpha plus beta is equal to 6, and the square on both sides, what will you get, students? What will you get? That is alpha plus beta whole square, that is a plus b whole square, is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab, that is alpha square beta square plus 2 alpha beta is equal to 6 square is equal to 36. This implies that alpha square plus beta square, students, in the question given, that is 24. So put the value here, 24 plus 2 alpha into beta is equal to k. So 2 into k is equal to 36. This implies that, you know, that is 2 into k is equal to 2k, and 24 will be transposed, that is 36 minus 24 is equal to 6 minus 4 2, then 3 minus 2 is equal to 1, that is 2k is equal to 12. So k is equal to 12 by 2 is equal to 6. So 6 is the correct answer. This is the value of k. Okay, students, so to find such type of question to solve in most easiest way, in quick method, so please like, share and subscribe my channel so that I can upload more and more such type videos. Okay, students, and one thing, if you have any doubt in this question, please don't forget to mention the comment so that I can clear your doubt in the next video. Okay, thank you everybody, have a nice day.